Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the people having disorder in hearing and speaking. So, could communicate with others through sign language, and also how letters can be conveyed using fingers, and specific movement of hand and fingers convey specific meanings, and also for example some signs and their meaning are given here. And also visually challenged people use braille script, how they are people use braille script, and how it is helpful for people having disorder of speech and hearing using sign language to communicate with other. And also the life history of Sir M. Visvesvaraya, and the life history of another person, Mother Teresa, and also the life history of Kannada actor T.N. Balakrishna. So all these things we discussed here in this class. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, now let us see. So in last class we learned about the life history of Gangubai Angal. So here Gangubai who was born in Dharwad. So he is very famous in India for her singing. So Gangubai was born in Dharwad. He was very famous for her singing. So when she was 13 years old, her parents recognized her interest in music and admitted her to a music school. Okay. So in 13 years old, her parents recognized it. That means her parents identified her interest in music and admitted her to music school after learning both. After that, so she was learning both Hindustani and Carnatic music. She gave many music concerts in many places of India, and also she got many awards for her singing. She gave many music concerts over the radio, and also she gave the many music concerts over the radio, and also she is very famous in Hindustani music. So here Gangubai Angal is very famous in Hindustani music. So now just summarize the life history of Gangubai Angal. So Gangubai Angal, who was born in Dharwad. Okay. So at the 13 years old, her parents identified or recognized her interest in music. So then the parents take to her and joined to music school. After that, Gangubai Angal was learning so both Hindustani and Carnatic music. So and she gave many music concerts throughout our state and India, and also she got many awards, and also she gave many music concerts over the radio, and also she is very famous in Hindustani music. Okay. So here you should many people have become great because of their special talent and skills. So many people have become great because of their special talent and skills. So read about them from the books and available in your school or library. So here is make a list of persons who are the famous for their special qualities and skills in your locality. Collect the information about them with the help of the elders and write it in the given below. Okay, a great person's name and their special talent or skill. Okay, and also with the help of the elders or teachers, you know about the poets, artists, scientists, singers and social reformers of Karnataka. Get books on them from your school or library and read. So and also write 4 lines about famous persons you like most. Identify encouragement and cooperation he or she got in the childhood. And also we see many physically challenged people having special talent and skills, achieved something and got recognition in the world. Their determination helped them in their achievement. Okay, so and also we learned or discussed about Thomas Alva Edison. Sir, Edison was a very poor in mathematics in his childhood. He could not pronounce words properly. So he attended school only for 3 months. He had a severe fever and his hearing was affected. So he became deaf. Okay. So he had to leave schools, and mother took extra care of him and gave him education at home. He grew into a famous scientist and invented many things. Electric bulb which glows in our houses, so is one of important inventions. So here Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb, electric bulb. Okay. So now let us see. So you have learned in the previous classes that people having disorder in hearing and speaking. So could you communicate with other through sign language? Do you know that they use sign letter also? Observe this. So here first picture. So in that first letter A. So how can use sign? Okay. So close all the fingers and hold tightly. So that indicates the letter A. So next B. Okay, open all the four fingers except thumb. Okay, except thumb. So that sign indicates letter B. And so four fingers except thumb, all the four fingers you should bend. That indicates the letter C. So next, so including thumb, all the four fingers you should bend and touch it. Okay, touch with all the four fingers, touch with the thumb except four finger. Okay, here so here you should open the four finger. That indicates the letter D. Specific movement of hand and fingers convey specific meanings. For example, some signs and their meanings are given below. So know here. So all the five fingers you should close, and so keep it with your hand on a forehead. That indicates anger. So okay. So this sign indicates other one. Okay. So all the four fingers are closed and except four fingers. So that indicates I am alone. Okay. So here all the four fingers are closed, but except four fingers should be come from lower level to higher level. That indicates get up. So next, yeah, so all the four fingers are open with thumb also. So that indicates surprise. Here is a visually challenged people use braille script. Visually challenged people use which script? Braille script. The people having disorder of speech and hearing use sign language to communicate with the other people. They are very much like us, so they are ours. They need special education, so we should treat them as our equals. So in next class we are going to discuss. Thank you and all.